Let's see what to watch out for when working part-time at a restaurant. Common accidents in restaurants include cuts, amputations, burn slips, trips, falls and collisions. Muscle injuries from lifting heavy objects are frequent, followed by electric shocks and falling objects. These accidents happen frequently. Let's learn the basic rules to prevent accidents in restaurants. Knives and glass. Put away sharp tools like knives immediately after use to prevent safety accidents. Broken glassware should be disposed of in the trash immediately. When using hot water or oil to prevent burn accidents, wear long sleeves and gloves and clean up any spills on the floor immediately. This helps prevent slip accidents. Always wear non-slip shoes. Next is electrical equipment. There is a green onion slicer among them. When using a green onion slicer, you must receive training from the owner on how to use it. Only then can you prevent accidents. Since jamming and amputations are common, always ensure safe usage and do not tamper with broken machines. Touching electrical appliances with wet hands can lead to electric shock accidents. Please always be careful. Let's look at some examples of safety accidents in restaurants. An international student working at a BBQ restaurant was changing a meat grill oil remaining on the grill, dripped and burned their hand, requiring burn treatment. In restaurants, due to hot oil burn accidents occur frequently, you must wear gloves when changing the grill. That is the only way to prevent burn accidents. I will explain first aid for burns. As seen in the previous case, if you get burned first, turn on the tap water gently and cool the burn under running water for about 15 minutes. You must never apply ice directly to the skin to cool it, as it causes skin damage. Second, when applying ointment or lotion to the wound, make sure to use products prescribed by a doctor. Third, cover the wound with a clean towel or gauze to protect it, which helps prevent bacterial infection. Do not ever pop blisters caused by burns. There is a risk of bacterial infection. Let's learn how to respond when an accident occurs. First, if an accident occurs, perform first aid immediately. In cases of bleeding or burns, be sure to visit a hospital for treatment. Second, you must inform your employer when an accident occurs. Third, you must record the details of the accident, including when, where, what, and how it happened. Make sure to keep a record. Next is regarding treatment. Part-time workers can easily apply for industrial accident compensation insurance. Please ask your employer to process it. Let's summarize restaurant safety. We looked at basic safety rules and action items, and burn first aid and how to respond when an accident occurs. Let's solve a quiz based on what we learned. Here is the question. Which is not a safety rule for restaurant part-time workers? Please find the answer. Did you find it? It's number 3. You can stack heavy or slippery dishes in the restaurant. Incorrect? Do not stack them. Put them away immediately. You know this helps prevent accidents, right?